Two scooters, millions of users, one legendary name. This is not just a review. This is the truth. Welcome to SG Riders. Bell subscribe call, start. Before we begin, subscribe to SG Riders and press the bell icon. Because we don't sell dreams, we test reality. Motor scooter introduction, the Activa legacy. For more than 2 decades, the name Honda Activa has ruled the streets. It's not just a scooter, it's an emotion, a family member, a daily partner. From students to office riders, from beginners to senior citizens, Activa has earned trust where others only promise performance. Today on SG Riders, we bring you the complete, honest, deep dive review of Honda Activa 110 cubic centimeters and Honda Activa 125 cubic centimeters. No hype, no drama, only facts. Small Blue Diamond Part 1. Honda Activa 110 cubic centimeters, the people's choice. Gear, engine, and performance. Honda Activa 110 cubic centimeters comes with a 109.5 1 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This engine is not built for racing. It is built for longevity, smoothness, and daily comfort. The throttle response is gentle, predictable, and beginner-friendly. In city traffic, the scooter feels light, easy, and stress-free. This is why Activa 110 is perfect for daily office commuting, college students, family use, senior riders, fuel pump mileage, and efficiency. Mileage is where Activa 110 truly shines. Thanks to Honda's refined engine tuning and idle start-stop system, this scooter saves fuel every single day. In real-world conditions, it delivers excellent fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical scooters on the road. For people worried about rising fuel prices, this matters. Ride quality and comfort. Honda Activa 110 cubic centimeters focuses heavily on comfort. Télescopique front suspension, well-cushioned wide seat, balanced chassis, low seat height. Whether you are riding for 5 minutes or 50 minutes, the scooter never feels tiring. Even on broken roads, Activa remains composed and stable. Sparkle's features, smart but simple. Activa 110 doesn't overload you with unnecessary technology. Key features include silent start, ACG motor, external fuel filling, LED headlamp, latest variant, engine start/stop system. Everything is designed to be easy, reliable, and user-friendly. Why heavy check mark? Who should buy Activa 110 cubic centimeters? Choose Activa 110F. You want peace of mind. You prefer low maintenance. You ride mostly in city traffic. You value resale and reliability. This scooter is not flashy. It is faithful. Small Blue Diamond Part 2. Honda Activa 125 cubic centimeters, the premium evolution. Gear, engine, and performance. Honda Activa 125 comes with a 123, 92 cubic centimeters engine, offering noticeably more power and torque. Acceleration is stronger. High-speed stability is better. Overtaking feels easier. If you ride with a pillion or want confident highway cruising, Activa 125 clearly feels superior. Fuel pump mileage with power. Despite the larger engine, Honda has balanced efficiency beautifully. Activa 125 gives strong performance, respectable mileage, smooth power delivery. You get power without sacrificing practicality. Ride and handling. Activa 125 feels more planted at higher speeds. Wider tires, better suspension tuning, more confident braking. The scooter feels premium, solid, and mature. Globe with Meridian's premium features. This is where Activa 125 stands out. Fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, select variants, LED headlamp and tail lamp, external fuel filling, silent start plus idle stop. This is not just a scooter. This is modern mobility. Why heavy check mark? Who should buy Activa 125 cubic centimeters? Choose Activa 125 if you want more power. You love premium features. You ride longer distances. You want style with substance. Balance scale Activa 110 cubic centimeters versus Activa 125 cubic centimeters. Quick comparison. Feature: Activa 110, Activa 125. Engine: 109.51 cm3, 123.92 cm3. Power: smooth and calm, strong and quick. Mileage: higher, balanced. Features: basic and reliable, premium and modern. Best for daily simple use, power plus comfort, brain maintenance and reliability. Both scooters share Honda's legendary reliability, low service cost, easy spare availability, long engine life, excellent resale value. This is why Activa dominates year after year. Red Heart emotional. Connect. Some scooters impress you. Some scooters stay with you. Activa is the one that starts every morning, never complains, carries your family, becomes part of your life. That's not marketing, that's reality. Bell subscribe call and emotional. If you believe a good ride should never betray you, then Activa understands you. Subscribe to SG Riders, because we don't just review machines. We respect your trust, Red Heart.